Good morning student, I am Manushree Malik. We are discussing last class, the chapter 3 also continue in this class. Continuing with the length of the open belt and the cross belt. We are already discussing about the derivation of this open belt and cross belt derivation, and chapter notes were already given in your WhatsApp group on 17 May 2020. So let's start. Length of an open belt drive. First length, exact length. Exact length is equal to 2 into pi by 2 r1 plus r2 plus alpha into r1 minus r2 plus root over of x square minus r1 minus r2 the whole square. Then next one is approximate length. Length is equal to pi into r1 plus r2 plus r1 minus r2 the whole square divided by x plus 2x. Then next one is length of an cross belt drive. Here is same also for exact length. For exact length is equal to 2 into pi by 2 r1 plus r2 plus alpha into r1 plus r2 plus root over of x square minus r1 plus r2 the whole square. And next one is same as approx length. It is also pi into r1 plus r2 plus r1 plus r2 whole to the whole square divided by x plus 2x. In previous class, I am already discussing about the full form of R1, which one is R1, which one is R2 and alpha and x, and we have already discussed about this. So, started the problem regarding this formula. So, here is the question based on this, before the formula I have written. So, the question is two parallel shafts 6 meter apart are to be connected by a belt rolling over pulleys of diameter 60 cm and 40 cm respectively. Determine the exact and approximate length of the belt required for if the belt is open and if the belt is crossed. So let's solve it. Given data is equal to distance between the center of shaft that is x is equal to 6 meter is equal to 600 cm. Then dia of larger pulley is equal to 60 cm. Radius of larger pulley that is R1 is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30 cm. Dia of smaller pulley is equal to 40 cm. So the radius of smaller pulley is equal to 40 by 2 is equal to 20 cm. So L is required length of the belt. So in question we are asking for the length of if the belt is crossed or if the belt is open. So first one is I go for if the belt is open. So as I said, the exact length is equal to 2 into pi by 2 r1 plus r2 plus alpha into r1 minus r2 plus root over of x square minus r1 minus r2 the whole square. So for open belt drive, we already know that sin alpha is equal to r1 minus r2 divided by x. So alpha is equal to sin inverse r1 minus r2 divided by x. So then sin inverse 30 minus 20 divided by 600. So after all this solving, sine inverse 0.0166. So alpha is equal to 0.955 degree. Now I am converting. So for converting the radian, we have to include into pi into 1 by 80 is equal to 0.01666 radians. So here alpha is 0.0166 is very much small, hence alpha in radian will be equal to sine alpha. So sine alpha is equal to 0.01. So then substituting the value of alpha and the value of x, r1 and r2 in the above equation, that is for exact length of the cross belt. So L is equal to 2 by pi by 2 r1 plus r2 plus alpha into r1 minus r2 plus x square minus r1 minus r2 the whole square. Putting all these values, we get 2 divided by pi by 2. r1 is 30 plus r2 is 20 plus 0.0166. 30 minus 20 plus root over of 600 square minus 30 minus 20 the whole square. After all this solving, the result will be 1357.24 centimeter. That is the length of exact length of open belt. So the approximate length of open belt is equal to L into pi into r1 plus r2 plus r1 minus r2 the whole square divided by x plus 2x. Putting all these values, the answer will be 1357.16 centimeter. This is all about for open belt. Then we are going for the cross belt. So now is for cross belt. The procedure will be same. The formula is little bit different. So first one is for exact length. 2 into pi by 2 r1 plus r2 plus alpha into r1 plus r2 plus x square minus r1 minus r2 to the whole square. Sorry, it is a plus r1 plus r2 the whole square. It is equation 2. So alpha is equal to sine inverse r1 plus r2 divided by x. Sine inverse 40 plus 20 divided by 600. The answer will be 4.78 degree. So we are converting into degree to radians. So we have to multiply pi by 180 is equal to 0.0834 radian. So the exact length is equal to 2 by pi by 2 30 plus 20 plus 0.0834 into 30 plus 20 plus root over of 600 square minus 30 plus 20 to whole square. After solving this, the answer will be 1361.24 centimeter. This one is approximate length for cross belt. Formula is equal to pi into r1 plus r2 plus r1 plus r2 whole square divided by x plus 2x. So putting this value, pi into 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 to the power whole square divided by 600 plus 2 into 600. Then the answer will be 1361.31 centimeter. That is the answer, and we are now completing the problem, and thank you, all the best.